In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. Whether you've just climbed the ranks at your current company or transitioned to a new role altogether, updating your LinkedIn profile to reflect your new position is crucial. It not only showcases your career growth to your network, but also keeps your professional presence up to date. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. You can do this effortlessly by entering your email and password on the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're logged in, hover over the Me icon at the top right corner of the page. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select View Profile. Your profile page will now open up. Ready for updates. Now, look for the Experience section on your profile. This is where all your career history is recorded. Find the role that you're getting promoted from and click the pencil icon next to it. This will allow you to edit the existing information about your position. In the prompt that opens, you'll see fields for your job title, company, location, and more. First, make sure to update your title to reflect your new role accurately. For example, if your title changed from marketing associate to marketing manager, you'll want to ensure that is properly reflected here. Next, adjust the start date if necessary to indicate when you officially began your new position. If your promotion occurred within the same company, you might want to add a new position under the same employment section. You can do this by clicking Add New Position within the Experience section. Fill in the details for your new position from job title to employment type. And add a few sentences about your new role. Highlight key tasks or responsibilities to give those visiting your profile a quick insight into what your job entails. And, more importantly, what you've achieved in this role. It's also an excellent opportunity to update any relevant accomplishments or projects in the description box. Consider including quantifiable achievements, like how you've increased sales by a certain percentage or the successful completion of a large project. These specifics not only enhance your credibility, but also make your profile more compelling to those who might be viewing it. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details you've added or updated. Double-check spelling, dates, and grammar to ensure everything is polished and professional. Once you are satisfied with how it looks, click Save. Congratulations! You've now successfully added and updated your promotion on LinkedIn. This small update plays a significant role in maintaining an accurate and up-to-date professional image, which is crucial in today's digital networking environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.